It's a Ariel Atom with aero, I think. I'm here with Colin and his completely bespoke vehicle. So, could you tell me a bit about the car, really?
Basically, it's built by a friend of mine called Robin Davies. In his summer, he just did all by himself. He looked at the Atoms and wanted to improve it and make a cheaper version, and he went about and did a really good job. He used his bike engine instead of the expensive Honda engines, and that keeps the weight down, so it's only 440 kilos, and with a 185 brake, it does accelerate really well.
Oh, wow.
and it handles well, and especially when you got the slick tyres warm on it. It goes very.
So a day like today
Yeah.
would be perfect then.
Yeah, almost too warm, but yeah, for the tyres, but yeah, it's
Incredible.
really good. Yeah,
Oh, it's a lovely looking thing. I mean, it definitely stands out from the crowd.
yeah.
So, did you buy it from Robin, or?
Yeah. I helped him with some of the work to it, some of the panels that I helped him with and stuff like that. But we've been friends for years, and this is the fourth one he's made. So
Fantastic.
yeah. So
Oh, it's an incredible piece.
the others are road going. This one's just purely for the track. So
Okay.
so it's a bit lighter. It hasn't got reverse gear. So yeah.
And obviously, you use it regularly on the track.
Yeah, it's on the track. Yeah,
Competing or just track days?
No, just track days. Yeah. But I always give passenger rides, and we do charity rides and stuff, and let kids in and stuff like that. So so it's good. It's nice seeing their faces. After they've come back in. Yeah.
They get out and kiss the ground.
Yeah. And even when you get the expensive race cars, and they come up to me afterwards and go, "What's in that?" Because they can't believe I've caught up with them and stuff like that. And it's like nowhere near as expensive as theirs. So yeah, that's a nice feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose it takes a skilled driver to.
I've
get
been
behind the wheel.
doing it a while. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice to keep up with the Porsches and stuff with it. Yeah. It makes them look. Yeah.
I mean, it looks like an Atom,
Yeah.
but there are differences to it.
Yeah.
So obviously, you say that it's Atom inspired, but
Yeah.
to be made different to their own, to Robin's bespoke taste, I guess.
It is, yeah. He's changed a few things, and and his main thing was to keep it light, keep it good, be able to adjust the brake balance and stuff like that. You know. It's very.
I mean, a lot of carbon on it, like a lot of carbon.
Yeah.
And it's I guess a rowdy piece of kit.
Yeah.
I mean, how long have you owned it for?
I've had this one 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 3 years. Have you ever got out of it and not smiled?
No,
I didn't.
Yeah,
I didn't think so.
Yeah.
Oh, what a cool piece of kit.
Yeah.
That is. Well, thank you very much for your time. I'll leave you to it, but
No problem.
what an incredible car.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice
Yeah,
one. Cheers, mate. See you later.